Hi, beautiful soul family. This is Sudipta, the Mystic Crab, and I'm here with your daily reading for the 16th of May. The focus of this channel is to help you arise to your true potential, and I'm here with you to get you the guidance that is required for your journey on a regular basis. So this is a general reading, so it might not resonate with your own situation, but just take the message that resonates with you and leave the rest behind. For booking personal readings with me, you can find the details in the description box. And if you like the content, please feel free to share the content with whoever it'll benefit, and like and comment so that I know how it's helping you guys. All right, let's jump into the reading. I'm a little nervous, you can tell, because I generally don't come on the camera with the readings, but today I thought of doing something different. All right, so the first thing that I have for you guys is the thinking man, and it only makes sense because with the world being at a slowdown and the lockdown, we have been all contemplating and thinking about what next, because life does not seem to be getting back to the usual life again. Even if the lockdown stops, there's still going to be a lot of restrictions. So how do we go about life after this? So that has been a lot of this heaviness which has come along with this card and this energy where we have been thinking and contemplating. But this has also given us a chance to reconnect with ourselves and reconnect with our family, get some more time to do things that we never thought of doing before. So this is that energy where we have been in that contemplation mode. Next card I have for you is the financial constraints. And yes, there are a lot of people who have lost their jobs and are not being paid. So there has been this heaviness around us, and a lot of us are trying to help out people um, who need the money, and that's a good thing. Please continue helping your neighbors, check on them. So don't worry about yourself. Angels are there, God's there to take care of you. This is the time where you need to reach out and ask people if they need your help. Okay? So the archangels have been working with us. This is Archangel Raphael. He's been working on our heart chakra, which is the fourth chakra, fourth energy center. So a lot of healing has been going on in the collective with this slowdown, and the proof of the healing is when you look outside, there's less pollution. You can see more wildlife. You can see more birds. The sky looks clearer. There are a lot of these different types of animals and bees and insects which we haven't seen for a very long time. They're returning back. So it shows that the planet is healing as we are also putting our daily routines to a little rest with the slowdown. So the next card I have is this magician energy. I love this card because it just shows how empowered we are at this moment. We are in this magical manifesting energy where we can create a lot out of nothing. So that's what this infinity symbol on top of this magician's head shows us. It's abundance, infinite blessings, infinite healing. So this is a beautiful energy we are stepping into, which is going to help us realize our dreams. But we need to take action. They won't just come true just because we've been dreaming about them. But yes, things are aligning for us to get them in our reality, provided we take the right measures and the right action. And the card that I have from the soul's journey for us today is friendships. Friendship. So it says, I understand that a friend is in my life for a certain reason. So well, I interpret two meanings out of this. One meaning is you are in your own life for a reason. So you have to be your own friend, your best friend, actually. You need to be your best friend first before you start looking out and expecting friendship from others or lending out of friendship to others. So befriend yourself and find that those actions you need to take and those important discussions you need to have with yourself to start taking those actions towards that life of your dreams, which this magician energy is bringing towards you. And the other message that I'm getting from this is reach out to your friends. Reach out to your friends, reach out to your family, ask them how they are doing. Reach out to them if you have been feeling low, if you have been in these intense energies, reach out to them, talk to them, lighten your heart. Friends are people we choose. They are people who resonate with us, and that is why they are in our lives. So reach out to them, ask them how are they doing, talk about what you want to talk about, and feel lighter. Spread that love, spread that joy. So this is the message I have for you for the 16th of May, guys. I hope you have a fabulous day ahead. And if you like my messages, please share, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. All right, thank you. Sending you so much love. Bye bye. Have a good day.